Hello, everybody, Cosmic Diva. Yes. Now, I'm running through this video really quickly, but these are the FAA webcams, and they take pictures of the sky from Alaska all the way through Canada. Oh, they're just incredible. And what you're looking at on the screen is some of the incredible stuff that I see on the cameras. Now, what's got my attention lately is this very strange flare. Now, this flare varies. Sometimes it's round, but lately it's been triangular. Yeah, it's a big sky triangle. And I am a little bit concerned as to why it's a triangle. As a photographer, I've never seen a sky triangle. And knowing that this is a still camera taking pictures of this, and it's on a lot of cameras, okay? It has something to do with the sun. It's reflecting off the sun, but all of a sudden, the normal rounded or hexagonal shaped light flares that you see going across the sky when the sun is up and moving across the sky. Well, they used to have a round thing going on. This triangle, I've just never seen it before, and I find it most fascinating, if not a little bit scary. So if our sun reflects off of our atmosphere and gives us this light, if it causes particles to light up in the sky, if the sun has the ability to give us this light, what the heck is the triangle? What is this a reflection of? As far as I know, there's no triangular parts inside of a camera, especially inside the lens. I can say that it is troubling because I've been watching this on camera for a few weeks now, and what looked like, okay, maybe this is just an incident, maybe this is just something weird, maybe this is, there's snow here, so perhaps this is what ice crystals look like. This is the reflection that they make. Sure, I could see that if it was on the lens. I could totally see that. The problem is, this thing is in the same place in every single shot. Okay? And it appears to be illuminated by the sun. It's affected by the sun. It's going with the sun. In some shots, it looks like there's a triangle behind the sun. I'm not understanding this new light. I'm not understanding this flaring. And triangular light and flares can be made depending on the type of camera that you have, sure. But these cameras are in all different lighting conditions, and yet you're seeing a triangle right in the center of the sky. It almost moves along with the sun just a little bit, but it really kind of retains its center position in the images. Okay? Now I've adjusted the color, like in this shot here. It almost looks like a box floating across the sky. And then in some of the shots like this here, this almost looks like an object I've seen off the ISS. Like just the shape of it back there behind the sun. See that? Do you see the comparison? There's the shot again. Uh-huh. Okay. Maybe it's nothing. Anyways, let's get back to the sky triangle. Sorry to divert our brains onto something like the ISS, but we're looking at the sky nonetheless. And here is this freaking triangle. This is unsettling. Okay? This is unsettling. Does this have something to do with the spraying of the sky? Does this have something to do with the chemtrailing in the sky? And don't write that they're not chemtrailing anywhere in my comment section, okay? Let's all move on from that. They've been doing it since the 50s. But is the mixture different now? Is the mixture stronger? Are the ingredients heavier now? And how on earth does anything that they're spraying in the sky result in a single triangle? Is it possible that, I don't know. Is this half, am I not seeing all of the object? Is it possible that the triangle is only a part of the object being lit up? Lens aberrations and anomalies happen. Yes, they do. But they don't happen all in the same place over the span of a large amount of area with all different cameras sitting in different places, okay? Whatever this is this is a reflection of something real, or it's lighting up the actual object. Okay? And let's remember that, even though we have blue daytime sky, it's not the color of the sky, it's black. So, are we seeing a mirror reflection of something? Is that possible? I'm just going over all the possibilities in my head of what this is I could be looking at. What do you think this is? It'd be really easy to just say, this is what the camera does. But I don't believe I'd find very many photographers who would say, yeah, that's a typical camera anomaly that happens to every single camera, no matter where you put it. Okay? No matter how clouded up the sky is, when you are looking through these images, the triangle is in the same friggin' spot. Do you see that? Do you see the triangle? And in a lot of images, I find the triangle to appear the strongest when pointing towards the east. And it appears to be a morning thing. And even in cameras that are pointing north or in the opposite direction, sometimes you will see the reddish tint still in the sky. Do you see it? And sometimes, but you could barely make out that pinkish reddish color. And this one here I find very odd. Because you see, literally, like next to the triangle, it looks like a boxed cloud of some sort, very uniform, coming across the sky. Right? What the hell am I looking at, y'all? What is this? Okay? What is this? Is this the shape of the sun? No, it can't be. It took a while before I was going to share this because I really just wanted to keep looking for possible reasons. I've done as much studying as I can. So I give up on this one too, just like the sun buddy. I had to give up on it for a while and have another look, and then I found some answers for myself. But this I don't have any answers to. And this quite technically brings back the sun buddy. Even the ISS sees it. They even see something in outer space, and they're showing it for a reason. What is it? I'm really trying not to go with the whole, fake sun thing. I'm trying. I don't know. What are your thoughts? What do you think this sky triangle is? What is this? Any guesses? Any ideas? Why is it on all the cameras? Not all, but it's coming from a certain direction. I'm sorry to zip through this so quickly. I just didn't want to spend hours and hours talking about what is it. I'd like to know what it is so I can move on to the next thing I'm curious about. But maybe you have some ideas. Leave me a comment down in the comment section below. And if you liked it, if you want me to watch these cameras more and share more of it with you, Lord knows I got enough of it. Like this video for me and tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. It's insane, isn't it? These alien skies of ours. Have a good one. Talk to you again soon. Bye.